On your next video, try to observe if you can also notice this metric in the middle. This post has a positive 1.3 times your typical views. Okay, so normally I see 4 options here, but for this specific video, I'm only seeing 3 boxes. Okay, I will try to check another video for comparison. But the reason why I'm recording this is because for the select like rate, this is the first time that I saw the metrics in green. Most of the time, my previous videos, when I try to upload them, it's very rare that we see a green and moderate tagging. If it's not low, it's negative on the percentage. But I'm happy to see that we're able to see improvement on the select like rate. Now, what I'm going to do on our next video, I'll post or upload another update so that we can revisit how much this video could have can potentially earn. We're not certain whether it's able to exceed 3. It should exceed 5 seconds, because according to Facebook earning rate, before our videos can be eligible for earning, they should be watched by our audience 5 seconds and above. Okay.